Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedrian. Promising a safe and violent-free environment, Sting's 40th anniversary built anticipation as the greatest one-night reggae and dancehall show on earth as it returned to Jam World. Patrons saw a slew of entertainers who dominated the stage, delivering some of their greatest hits. However, chaos ensued when Honormosity appeared on stage during a lyrical showdown between Fully Bad and Coyote. Honormosity entered the stage during the clash, which resulted in a physical altercation between himself and Fully Bad. The two left patrons scampering for safety and a premature end to the show. Honormosity and Fully Bad were among 4 men arrested and charged for disorderly conduct and are set to appear before the St. Catherine Parish Court on January 24. In an E-Prime exclusive, Honormosity apologized to fans, patrons and event organizers for the altercation.
Yeah, first of all, I would like to apologize to the fans, and I would like to apologize to Supreme Promotion and Mr. Leng himself, so cause what happened with me and Fully Bad and Coyote is not necessarily the views of Supreme Promotion or Mr. Leng, We had everything going on in the street and we decided to keep it on the stage. So I apologize to Supreme Promotion and apologize to whosoever may get offended by this.
Party shot? Well, not exactly. Popcorn, aka the Unruly Boss, was left voiceless after the police stopped the Unruly Fest concert at Phillips Field Sports Complex in Yala Saturday morning. Popcorn accused the authorities of unfairly treating St. Thomas events. In an Instagram post, he showed a document that allegedly depicted the closing time permitted for the event and the fees paid to the authorities. Head of the JCF's Communications Unit, Senior Superintendent Stephanie Lindsay, says the document circulating represents the fees charged by JCF members for the specified period indicated on the sheet. She noted this is not the approved time for the event.
The document that was circulated was not an indication that the event goes on until 6. I saw the document that he got from the police granting permit to 2 o'clock because that was what the law allowed the police superintendent to grant up to 2 a.m. However, that document, he took it to the Ministry of Entertainment where he got permission to go on until 4 a.m. So what was done is that for the final permit is that the police attached that document to the police permit, and the 4 a.m. document somewhat supersedes what the police authority is.
She also stated that the action is not targeted at any one person but all promoters across the island.
There is no singling out of any individual or any promoter. It is a fact that for some events it is more difficult to manage. There are some events and some promoters and some entertainers, wherever they perform, the behavior doesn't differ. So it's not unique to this event. So there's no targeting of no individual. We have police various entertainment events across the country.
The event had not been held since December 2019 because of the COVID-19 pandemic. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedrian. Thank you for watching.